Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to show how to change the resolutions on your Adobe Premiere. So basically, I just mistakenly taken some camera in vertical, so a vertical mode. So I'll just show you with the example now, which is actually I took it in vertical mode. First of all, I need to create a new project. In the project, right, I'm just going to explain it to the project name. Going to place this on my source. Okay, if you double click this, so if you see this now, it is in vertical mode. So I just want to transform this, and also I just want to change the size of this screen. So what I'm going to do is now here, right, you need to select this FX, just enter transform. You can see this transform here and just drag and place it here. Once you place that, go to effect controls. So I just undock this here, right. I need to change it, right. I need to rotate this first, make it 100. It's changing now, so I think 180 will be fine. Not 180, 270. Yes, 270. It makes straight, but the resolution is right. That is very different. If you see this, resolution is not changing. So what I'm going to do is go to file, new sequence. Under sequence, if you see this, I'm going to change this and new sequence, go to settings. Under settings, right, I'm going to change this custom. You can do whatever you want, 1280 into 720. That will be good, or you can change this as well. By default, I'm going to do HD 1080 pixel HD video, so automatically it will take 4440 into 1080. So if you want to change this, you can change this as well. Reset, but I'm going to say okay now. If you see this project plan, right, it's automatically changed. So you can do the editing here and just drag this on into here. It will ask for your questions. This clip doesn't match the sequencer settings. Change sequence to match the clip settings. No, I want to keep the existing settings, so I'm just going to do. I just want to show what will happen. Change sequence settings. See, it's changing according to that. So Control Z, and again dragging and dropping here. And if you see this, why this time it's not changing? Okay, yes, keep existing changes. So this one, right, it's maximized, overlapping. So just right click here and on the video and click this, set to frame size or scale to frame size. But set to frame size is not a problem. I'm going to just expand this through the effect control. So in this effect control, right, so I'm just going to scale this. I think 180 will be good. Yes, 180 exactly matching my resolutions. So if I make 175, you can see this difference. There are some gaps. So I'm going to make it 180. Yes, now it's cool. You can do that. Okay, now it's okay, fine. You can do the editing here as well. So this is the way you can change the resolutions according to your videos. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please put your comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye.